Hey, Northeast Mods here. We got this Motori Cipolla 3.5.21 nitro RC engine. Just doing a little photo shoot today. And at some point in the near future, we'll have a guts overview. We'll tear it down, take a look at the insides. I have a similar engine to this that had the AAC setup in it with the aluminum sleeve. This one has a brass sleeve. I can see through the exhaust port. And it's got a 3-needle carb, slide carb. Nice tall green coolant head. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back for more, and we'll have this one at some point with opening and the guts. Have a good one.